Forget reality, we're diving deep into the AI video generator arena to crown a champion. Sora vs Runway. First up, Sora. While access is limited, its text-to-video capabilities are insane. You type a detailed description, and Sora conjures up a realistic video scene. The prompt is key, be specific. Now, RunwayML. Much more accessible, especially its Gen 2 model. Runway's strength lies in transforming existing footage or images into something totally new. Sora excels in pure, unadulterated realism from text. Notice the detail, the lighting. Runway is fantastic for stylization and creative transformations, turning mundane footage into something extraordinary. Sora's pros, unmatched realism and detail. It's gone. Limited access makes it tough to actually use right now. Runway's pros, easy access and powerful creative tools. Cons, its realism sometimes falls short compared to Sora. The verdict, it's a tie. Sora wins on realism, Runway wins on accessibility and creative freedom. The best AI video generator really depends on your needs. Which AI video generator excites you the most? Let me know in the comments, subscribe for more AI battles, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.